What's going on, guys? 3G Racing here. Today I'm going to be coming at you with another video. We're doing the coilovers today, so gonna hopefully get those on, get it some better stance, some better aerodynamics for the track, all that stuff. So let's get right into the action. Alright guys, this thing's absolutely filthy right now, but I got the car jacked up, wheels off, taking a look at everything in here. Nothing looks too rusty. It shouldn't be that bad to get off, I hope. But yeah, so all we gotta do really is take off these things here that hold the whole brake setup onto the strut tower here. We gotta take off this bracket over here, and then the sway bar links right there. We gotta take that off, and then it's just these bolts up here, and we should be able to drop them right out. All right, guys, we ran into our first little issue here. For the little sway bar link here, I had to cut it off because it was just rusted on there, just turning both things. I tried using pliers, vice grips, everything, but I ended up just cutting it off. But now we're just going to unbolt these here and hopefully drop this thing right out of there. All right, guys, just got these loose. For the top one, I was able to do it with just the breaker bar. The bottom one, I used a little power drill over here, though. I got it out pretty easily, but yeah, I'm just gonna take these out, drop this brake rotor down, and then just got the 3 bolts left up top. Alright guys, so I just got the first strut out there, took out those 3 bolts up top. This is sitting on a jack down here, but yeah, we got that ready for the new coil to go in. Now on to the other side. Alright y'all, so I got the second side out over here. Only took literally like 5-10 minutes this time. Like, I'm really getting the hang of this, but yeah, time to just cut off these old sway bar links down there as well, and then I'm going to install the new coilovers, grease them down first because I have had these max speeding rods before and they do pop and bind a lot, so I'm going to grease them down before I put them in. But yeah, let's go take these out. Alright guys, so I just put in the coilovers. I greased this one here. As you can see, it's down here. Just got to hook it up to the whole wheel setup there, and then on this side I still need to grease it, but same thing over here. Just need to hook it all up. Shouldn't take too long, and we'll have the front. Just need to adjust it. I also need to figure out how to use the adjustable dampering and make it soft in the front, stiff in the back. So I'm going to do some research about that before I start tracking it again. But yeah, coming along very well so far. Alright guys, so I just finished up with the front. I don't have any sway bar end links to put in there, so unfortunately not going to be able to drive the car yet. I have to wait till Friday for them to come in. But other than that, everything's in, ready to go. I'm going to jack it down soon, see where the fitment's at, but it should be even on both sides. The one problem is the alignment here. You can kind of see it. It's kind of poking out a little bit to the left on this side, and then it's also this wheel. You can see a little bit more. Just turned a little bit right, so alignment's kind of screwed up. But we'll get that taken care of before I start driving it, and we'll be good to go. Alright guys, I'm starting on the back now. As you can see, the front is a little bit lower than it was before. It's still got to settle, and I don't think I'm set on that height yet. I think I'll drop it down another ½ inch or so, maybe a whole inch. But yeah, I'm waiting until after I get the part in for it. So now we're going to start on the back, and this one should be fairly simple. There's 2 or 3 bolts up there, I forget, and then this one back here. So that should pop right out, and then she'll be done. Alright y'all, so this bolt on this side was completely seized up. You can kind of see there, it's all mangled up. But it's finally off now. Big shout out to my dad, came out to help with that. I was really getting frustrated. It took about three hours in total to get that one bolt off. Otherwise, this would have been done yesterday. But as you see, I've been hammering this a little bit, trying to get this out. This whole side is all seized up, so gonna muscle that out, and then we'll be good to put the new one in. Alright y'all, so I finally got this stupid strut off. It took about 2.5 hours of straight abuse, but yeah, there's all hammered down there. Cut it on both ends down there because it just wouldn't come off. Now I still have to get the rest of this rubber off, but finally we got it off. So Thank God. All right, y'all. So I got the coilovers on out here. They definitely need an alignment, like I told y'all. This one's really poking out here to the left, as you can see. The car is straight right now, and that's what it looks like. This one's not that bad, but yeah. So then the back here, I'm gonna lower it down a little bit more yet. It's like a 3-finger, was usually you can fit a fist in there. But yeah, I'm gonna lower both the front and back down a little bit more, but I got them all on, and this is what we're looking at right now. Overall, it's a pretty easy install. I'll give you guys a full review once it's all lowered and stuff, but pretty simple install overall. And big shout out to Max Speeding Rods for sponsoring me and giving me a set of free coilovers. Really appreciate that. See how they ride, take them to the track, and yeah, that'll do it for today's video, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure to like, subscribe, all that, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.